Study how to subtract the given numbers. Subtraction is a process of taking out some number from greater number. Here, minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. We will subtract 89 from 9,860. See here, you have write the number is taken out from number 89 is taken out from 9,860. So we have to subtract. This is we have to write first of all we have to write this one in place value chart unit 10, 100, 1000. This is unit 10, 100, 1000. Unit 10, 100, there is no 100 place, there is no 1000. So we write here 0 and we will subtract. 0 is smaller and 9 is greater number. See here, 0 is smaller and 9 is greater. So we cannot subtract greater number from smaller. So we'll borrow a carry from this 10th place and it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Taken carry should be given back. And before subtracting this 8 and 1 from 6, we have to add this one. 8 plus 1, 9. This is 6. So 6 is smaller, 9 is greater. We cannot subtract 9 from 6. So once again we will borrow a carry and it will become 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Taken carry once again given back here and we will add these two numbers to subtract from this one. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 9 minus 0. 0 is nothing. Nothing can be subtracted from 9. Then the result is 9 minus 0 is 9 only. So if we take out 89 from 9,860, we will get the difference as 9,771. This is the difference. This is the minuend subtrahend difference. Now, we have to subtract this number from this. See here. Once again, we will write here unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh place is not there. We will write here 0. We will write from unit to 10,000 and lakh place. In lakh place we will write 0 because there is no lakh place in this number. Now we will subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8 only. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. Once again we will take borrow carry. It becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Taken carry given that. 0 plus 1, 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4,18,111 is the difference of these two numbers. If we subtract 90,851 from 5,08,960, we get the difference as 4,18,111. Now let's subtract these two numbers. This is the greater number, this is smaller number. 8,621, 58,093. We will write these numbers by giving space in between 8, 0, 6, 2, 1. This is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Unit below will write this unit place below the unit will write next 10th place below the 10th place 9. This is 100 place will write here 0 below the 100 place, and this is in 1000 place. 8 is in 1000 place. This is unit 10, 100,000. We'll write 1000 below the 1000 and we'll write 10,000 below the 10,000. Now we can subtract. First we'll subtract units from units, then tens from tens, hundreds from hundreds, and thousands and lakhs. We cannot subtract 3 from 1 as 1 is smaller than 3, so we divide by 3, it becomes 11. Now 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. Second carry should be given there. Now 9 plus 1, 10. Once again we cannot subtract 10 from 2. We will take borrowed carry. It becomes 12. 12 minus 10, 2. And this one is given there. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 8 cannot be subtracted from 0 as 0 is smaller. So 1 will borrow a carry and it becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. You can carry. Once again, one there. We will have this carrying this number. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. This is 22,528 is the difference of these two numbers. Now we subtract 19 from 10,000. First we will write 10,000. This is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we will write unit below the unit, 10 below the 10, and there is no place, there is no hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So we will write here 0, or we can simply leave blank. Now we can subtract. Here we borrow a carry as it is smaller than 9. 10 minus 9, 1. This is carry is given back. 1 plus 1, 2. Once again I cannot subtract. Becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. This is given back. 0 plus 1, 1. This is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So 9,991 is the difference. If we subtract 19 from 10,000, we will get the difference as 9,991.